y'all? How y'all doing? Yeah, this is Kevin from Pickin in the Hood too. I just wanted to get something off my chest. You know, I don't know what's going on, but I don't know if white people feel the same way. But you know, black men, we go in the restroom and it's 3 urinals. We don't get in the middle. That's just it. We don't get in the middle. Now, I just left the restroom, and there was a black dude in the middle. I didn't know what to do. Sorry, I didn't. I stood there for a minute and looked. It was the 2 toilets were filled, and I had to use the restroom real bad. But I stood there for a minute and looked because I didn't know what to do. So I had to use real bad. So I went on here to use the one on his right side. But that's a violation. Now I could see if it was crowded in there, and the middle was the only thing open, and you had to use it real bad, because I probably would have went to the middle. But he was in there by himself, and he was in the middle. What the hell? And you know, I'm old, so I was kind of confused. I was like, what the hell am I supposed to do? Woo! I went over here to use it. But I just wanted to say something about that. You know, I'll make a video about, you know, thrifting and selling and stuff like that. But I just wanted to get that off my chest. Anyway, just Pickin in the Hood too. Yeah. All I got to say is peace.